1 cup water, warmed in the microwave for about 20 seconds or 15 seconds. 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yeast. Oopsie. Quick rise yeast. This is a half cup measuring, so I need about 2.5 cups. 2.5, but we won't add the half right now. Now add the oil, about a 1/4 cup. I'm using grapeseed oil. Maybe a 1/4 cup. In 1 hour. The other 1/4 that we had left behind. And do all of them like that. "30 minutes and preheat in the meantime to 350. The egg from earlier, some water, okay, that's more like it.